Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Maybe you suspect that someone has access to your account, so you want to add an extra layer of protection to it. So today, I am going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu below, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On this user settings page, select this account option. In this page, you will now see this Enable Two-Factor Authentication option. Simply tap on it. A window will pop up asking you to enter your Discord password. After you have entered your password, tap on this OK button. Here, you will be asked to download Google Authenticator app. After that, tap on Next. Here, copy this code and paste it on Google Authenticator. After that, tap on Next again. And here, type in the code that you can see in the Google Authenticator app. Once you have done all of these steps, you now have successfully enabled two-factor authenticator on your Discord account. Here, you can also enable SMS authentication so that you can receive verification codes via text message. Starting now, Discord will prompt you to enter a verification code every time you log into your account from a new device or browser. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable two-factor authentication on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.